Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to download and install MySQL and how to work in the Workbench. Open your browser and search MySQL in the Google, and you will see that MySQL here, and go to the community download and choose the community server and choose to go to the Windows installer. Download the second one and click the no thanks. Then you can see that the MySQL is downloading now. Open your downloaded exe file, you will see the following window. Choose the custom type here and click the next. And here you have to choose the MySQL server. I will choose point 19 and also the point 19 version of the Workbench. Click the next. To install server and Workbench, you have to pre-install some additional softwares. But here, if you click to execute, it will download and install those packages for you. Click the next and execute. Click the next again. Next. And next again. Here you have to check that the port number is 3306 and go to the next. And next. Here you have to set your root password. So set your password here. I recommend you to set a strong password that contains some characters and numbers and also the special characters. Click the execute, and it is the final step of the installation. Finish. Next. Finally, you can finish your installation. And you can see that the MySQL Workbench is popped up. This means that your installation is successful. From now on, I will teach you basic operation in the MySQL Workbench, so please open the Workbench first. And type the password. The first thing you have to do is create a database. Right-click the mouse and you can see the Create Schema button. Set the name of database you want. I will say MyDB and click the Apply button. You can see that it will run the query for you. Finish it. You can see that MyDB database is appeared in the left side. So click the MyDB. Go to the table and click the Create Table. And set your table name. I will say Student Info. And you have to add columns here. The first column I will set as a student ID. And the second column I will set as a student name. And you can check that the variables type and click the apply here. Now new table is created. If you want to check the content of the new table, and if you want to do some operations in the table, you have to write some queries here. So I will close all the windows here. Before writing some queries, I will set my DB as a default database in this instance. So first of all, I will query all the contents of the table. I will write select from student info. You can check that all the tables are empty. So I will write some queries to insert some rows here. Right-click the table and click the insert statement. Now you can see that it will generate queries for you. So what you have to do is change this part to the actual values you want to insert in. So I will change it to the actual value, student ID, and the name of the ID is the A, and I will run the queries. To see the result of the insert, I have to call the select queries again. So you can check that the values are inserted in the table. So I will do it once more. This time I will insert two rows here. Copy and paste the insert query before and change it to the another values. And also another student ID and name. So run the query, and you can check that query is executed without any problem. So in order to check the result of the query again, you have to write the select query again. So copy and paste the select query and run it. Then you can see that two rows are inserted successfully. In this video, I just covered the basic operations. For some other queries, you can try it by yourself. So this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching.